Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an Oppo Find X3 Lite that seems to be okay, but the screen is dead, so let's go fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is look around the device, and the device definitely needs a new display because it's not showing us anything. But it's got no noticeable crack on the front display, so that's very odd. But we have tried to turn it on and there seems to be a problem with the display. So we're gonna open it up by removing the back cover. This is very flexible plastic, so easy for us. But we're gonna take our time not to damage anything if there's any cable attached to the back cover. There's none, so it's good to pull it out and put it to the side. We're gonna unscrew the cover of the daughter board and of course the main board. I think this is one piece. Open it up. There's a lot of screws. And now we can remove the SIM card tray because it can interfere with us removing the back cover. Well, I guess this is gonna be a pry to the side affair. So the entire assembly is connected directly to the front display, or is there a smaller housing that's surrounded by this, I guess, plastic cover? So it's very flexible as well, so it acts like a side cover and the main cover for the electronics. Very large battery. I think this is just two batteries fused into one. We're gonna detach the display and the battery. We're gonna uncover the daughter board. This is, by the way, the corner connector is for the display. We have reconnected the battery connector, so we can test if our replacement display here is working or not. Brand new display. It's got the plastic cover and all. And let's try to turn this on. So most likely this smartphone has been stuck in a drawer somewhere where it got drained out of the battery, so we'll test it out. But so far it's booting up, but it's not really showing us the brightness that we wanted. Maybe it's in a power saving mode or sleep mode. David can see it from his perspective, but for us, we can barely see anything. Can't even read the text. Now we have the fingerprint scanner clearly visible. Then try to plug it in. Maybe it's in a power saving mode. Maybe it can wake the display up. And I think there's an issue with the charging port. We're gonna wait it up for a while. There you go. It's in black and white, but definitely in a battery saving mode or in a dark grayscale mode. Not really sure. We're now gonna try to turn it off now, so we can continue with our disassembly. So we can just properly shut down the device. Here we go, and it's off. So what we're gonna do now, since we have confirmed that the replacement display is good, the touchscreen is also working on the replacement display. We're gonna remove the damaged display from the main housing. So David is just examining some buttons here. That's a lot of buttons. I'm gonna disconnect some connectors. I'm gonna remove, I think, the daughter board now. Remove some rubber grommets around the display connector. And we're gonna pry off the damaged display. So it's just laid up on top of this housing. And it's easy to remove, thank goodness. There you go. Damaged display is now off. We are removing some rubber grommets on the old display. We're cleaning it up, prepping it for our liquid adhesive. We're gonna put it around on the side, just enough so it can adhere to the display. Pretty nice. Now we're gonna pull out our replacement display and properly install it. So there's no issue with the housing itself. There's no bent corners. So we're just gonna position it and press it in just like so, and reconnect the display connector into the daughter board. So we're just going to reverse the process so we can put this thing back together. So if you have an Oppo Find X3 Lite or any other Oppo with a very long name, you can message David here, Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We're a small repair shop that is run by an expert technician. You should be able to get a quote from David. Maybe he can fix your smartphone right away, or you need to order some parts for your specific device, because sometimes some smartphones are just too unique that we don't have the replacement parts for them. Or David can just outwardly say that no, the smartphone is not really fixable, the current catalog that we offer. So you can also visit us, so he can directly check your smartphone, and you can have a talk with him, negotiate the price. But we offer fairly reasonable prices. And this is it. This is just an example of what we do here in the shop. We provide honest repair services for the reasonable price. There you go. Cameras, main camera, front camera, and that's David there. Definitely a serious guy. There you go. It's now ready for the client. So if you're interested in this kind of repair, leave us a message. If you want to ask us anything, you can leave it down below as a comment. Share this to a friend who wants or needs the same service. And that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna close it up. The final piece of the entire smartphone. Oh, by the way, the SIM card tray is still unattached. And there you go. Repair complete. So thanks for joining, guys. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything
everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're